In this video, you're going to learn the best type of investing. Okay, the best type of investing, we're not going to hold you hostage for the whole video and not tell you what it is until the very end, is unemotional investing. Unemotional investing is good investing because so often our emotions affect our decisions way more than we would like to believe. Just think about the last time you were cut off in traffic. Did you make a really great decision right after that? It's the same way investing. If we are really emotional, those emotions will have a huge impact on our decisions. And this will lower our investment returns. Because investing is really just the result of decisions. Whatever decisions you make impact your investment returns, and therefore we want to make the best decisions possible. So how do we make unemotional decisions? So there's a couple ways, in my opinion. The first is my favorite, and that is looking by the numbers. If we're looking by the numbers, we just have to see the trends, we just have to know the growth rates, we have to know what's going on, and then we can make decisions based on that. If you see the financials are just absolutely deteriorating, but the valuation is staying up, then it's a pretty simple decision to maybe lighten your load of that position or sell it altogether. So being able to analyze the financials is very important to invest unemotionally. A second trick to investing unemotionally is keeping a journal. When the market crashes, please write down how you feel about it. I did this when we had that little crash in December 2018, and when I look at it now, I'm blown away. I was way more nervous than I would like to admit. So please do that in the heat of the moment, because you'll be able to read back and actually know what you were thinking, because our brains trick us into thinking that we're all height and mighty, buy on the dip, it's garbage, because it's all a coping mechanism. If you actually write down how you felt, you'll be very surprised at your real risk tolerance. So please do that. Just keep an investing journal, date it, and just write down how you feel. Even going further than that, write out your thesis for making a decision. Keep a decision journal. It can be the same journal, just how you feel about the market in general, but also your decisions. So when you actually make a decision and it ends up doing really well, you can look back and see if it was actually a good decision. Because if the outcome is good with a terrible process, then you're just hyping yourself up. It doesn't actually mean you made a good decision. So those are kind of three things. First, please look at the financials, because then you'll have a basis for making your decisions. Second, keep a journal about how you feel about the market in general. And then third, keep a decision journal so that you don't get hyped up when you actually make a bad decision and the outcome is good. So those are just three things that you can do in order to actually make unemotional decisions, because unemotional investing is the best kind of investing. Thanks so much. Hey there, really appreciate you joining us at Investing City. We have all sorts of resources for you to learn as much as you possibly can about the stock market. From going over how to analyze a stock, to actually analyzing a stock, to personal finance issues. And so we really just are so happy that you're here with us, and we hope you get a ton out of it. Have a good one.